Welcome back to the 12 Weeks of Christmas. This is Trisha Petito. Today we will be working on our last card in this series and doing a holographic card. I used these beautiful bow thin cuts and the stamp set Good Tidings of Great Joy. I also went ahead and used our holographic paper, and there are 5 different colors: Dreamy, Oasis, Majestic, Twinkle Toes, and Sunbeam. These papers are gorgeous, and they're a specialty paper that are sometimes often forgotten to be used, and people use glitter paper instead. I love them. I grabbed some very small pieces of scrap paper from our Christmas line, Holly and Ivy, and adhered them to the bottom of my base. They're very small, but they work wonders with that beautiful stamp set. It is a large stamp set, so I didn't need much paper at all to offset it. As you can see, here's our stamp set. I didn't need much at all. You just use plain old black ink, stamped it up nicely with that ink, and put it at the top of our base set. There we are. There's our card ready to go. I can go ahead and put my beautiful bow. This is the thing that I use. It's called small bow. There's 2 pieces to it. And I just took a little bit of my tape runner, put some glue on the back. This is the part that you fold in. This is the top of the bow, if you would. You fold this in, just glue it together, and then you put this part on the base or the bottom of the bow. And that little tab that's sticking up, you wrap it around, and that's what holds the whole thing together. Sometimes I find that when I'm doing it though, my tab doesn't quite reach around if I don't do it tight enough. This one actually did pretty well when I was adhering it, but being holographic paper, I had a little bit of my glue sticking out after I was done. I did it twice, and both times I still had some glue showing. So after I was done and I adhered it to my paper, I decided to utilize some of my gems to hide that excess glue. We're going to adhere this to the paper. Once again, you can use any adhesive that you like. Look how beautiful that is. That Sunbeam holographic paper is a beautiful gold color and really shines. So we're going to use some of these beautiful red enamel gems that match our Holly and Ivy paper. Any beautiful embellishments would work though. I put one in the middle of my bow. It really offset that gorgeous gold holographic. And then I'm just putting a couple around my card to add to it. And there we go, our finished card with scrap paper and holographic paper. Wow, beautiful, easy card. You could make a bunch of these and send out. Thank you for joining us today for our 12 Weeks of Christmas series. Next week, we will move on to doing some layouts. I hope you will join us as we continue this series. Have a great day. Bye.